Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive Lexus ES300H, updated. Turn on the car and check the hybrid display to confirm readiness. Select a drive mode that matches your route and comfort. Practice engaging smooth throttle inputs to blend electric and gasoline power seamlessly. Learn how regenerative braking affects feel and range so you can modulate the brake pedal gently. Keep it calm and deliberate while building confidence behind the wheel. In this video, I will explain how to drive Lexus ES300H, updated. Begin in a safe area and practice gradual, steady acceleration to let the hybrid system balance power. Notice how the car shifts between electric and gasoline without manual input. Use light throttle when merging and be mindful of nearby traffic flow. Smooth inputs improve comfort, economy, and battery charge recovery so your drives feel relaxed and efficient. In this video, I will explain how to drive Lexus ES300H, updated. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that prevent spills and fit neatly in the console for road snacks. They save time and reduce mess when you commute or road trip in your Lexus. If you like this tip in the video, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to drive Lexus ES300H, updated. While braking, ease pressure to let the regen system recover energy and reduce brake use. Use brake hold for short stops and the electronic parking brake when parked on inclines. When parking, confirm gear is in park and the vehicle is secure before leaving. Practice these steps in a quiet lot to build muscle memory and safer, more efficient habits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.